Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Misfit 187. Today we have an exciting unboxing for you. I recently ordered a pair of Auxbeam 7440 LED bulbs from Amazon and they arrived super fast, just 2 days after placing the order. If you're looking to upgrade your automotive lighting, stick around because we're about to check out these high quality bulbs and see what they have to offer. Alright, let's dive right in. As you can see, the packaging is very nice and secure. Auxbeam always does a great job with their presentation. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are the Auxbeam 7440 bulbs. They come in a pair, and I have to say, they feel well built. These bulbs are specifically designed for automotive use, and I'm really looking forward to using them in my 2007 Honda Civic. They're going to serve as reverse lights in my vehicle, providing super bright white light that not only enhances the look of my car, but also improves the visibility while using my backup camera at night. Now let's talk about some key features of these bulbs. First off, they come with a 1-year warranty, which is always reassuring. It speaks the confidence that Auxbeam has in their quality of their products. The bulbs themselves are known for exceptional brightness and are made of high quality materials. This upgrade not only enhances the aesthetics of my vehicle, but also contributes to a safer driving experience. Installing these bulbs is a breeze, and I'll be covering the installation in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's appreciate the build quality and the thoughtful design that Auxbeam has put into these bulbs. I'm confident there'll be a significant difference in the overall lighting of my Honda Civic. And there you have it, the unboxing of the Auxbeam 7440 LED bulbs. I'm really excited to see the difference that they make on my Honda Civic. If you're interested in upgrading your vehicle's lighting, check out the link in the description below to find these exact bulbs on Amazon. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this unboxing video, and please subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.